Hello, my name is Lee Thurburn, and I am a Turo car host, as well as a former CPA. Currently, my wife and I have 7 vehicles. We've, in the last 2.5 years since we started our business, had as many as 12. We use car fleet tools on a regular basis to help us manage our business. I am a former CPA and I do understand how to use and configure QuickBooks, but I found it to be a very difficult software package to use as a Turo host. So I built our own specifically designed online accounting system for Turo hosts. So what I'd like to do is walk you through the onboarding process. In other videos, we'll talk about other aspects of using CarFleet tools. The first thing is go to carfleettools.com and click on the register link. And here you'll have some information that you'll fill out. And then click the sign up button. And the system takes about 30 seconds to actually create the account in the background. And as soon as it's done, you'll be receiving a SMS text message and have a screen where you can input the SMS text message, which validates and verifies that you are who you say you are and the phone number that you gave us is a valid phone number. So as soon as the SMS text message comes in, go ahead and plug it in. And my message is 089969, and we'll go ahead and verify. And now the system will log us in and we'll begin the actual onboarding process. Okay, the first thing that we're going to ask you is to set up a primary bank account. And you don't need to provide us any confidential information. Just name your bank, my bank, whatever it is you want to name it. And please give us the date when you set up the bank account. And now you can add a secondary account if you want to. You can always do that later. But once you've set up an initial bank, click Next Step. And here the system is going to ask you to input or create at least one car vehicle record. Now you can either do that by filling out this form and then clicking the Add Vehicle button, or you can upload an earnings export that you have received or previously downloaded from Turo. So I'm going to go ahead and upload an export. I'll choose my bank. Now I'm going to go choose a file that's on my system. I have an earnings export from March of 2025. So I'm going to go ahead and open that file and I'm going to load that file. And in the background, what is now happening is Turo is not Turo, but CarFleet Tools is taking the export from Turo and it's creating a list of vehicles that you have. So now the pop-up returns and you'll see a list of all the vehicles that you have, and you can then go ahead and click Next Step. This will actually then take you directly to a screen where you can watch a brief video. When the video loads, go ahead and watch the video, and then at the end of the video you'll see a green button at the bottom that says Finish and go to Dashboard. At this point in time, you have now watched the onboarding vehicle, you've created your account, you've created a bank, and you've uploaded a list of the vehicles that you have on Turo. So you're ready to get started actually using the system and importing banking transactions and doing other things. So that's a quick video on how to onboard, how to create an account, the first steps that you take. There are other videos about what you should do next. So if you'll just decide what it is you need, I actually have a video that I recommend that you watch, which is a first things first, next steps video, which will guide you through some of the decisions that you have to make. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you if you get stuck. Thanks, bye.